Good morning, Ray. How are you doing? I hope you are having a wonderful day and that you are ready to work on IEP goals 3 and 4. So for goal number 3, Ray, we are going to be solving problems using bar graphs and line graphs. So here is an anchor chart, and it tells us a little bit about bar graphs and line graphs. So we know that bar graphs its purpose is to compare data, whether, for example, like categories or surveys. We are always comparing in bar graphs. And in line graphs, it's to show continuous data or trends. So in one, they're showing us, they're comparing things, and in the other one, they're showing us things. So always remember that. And here in a graph, we always have the title, which is always at the top. We have the y-axis, which is on the side. Our x-axis is in the bottom. And then sometimes we have a table as well that tells us a little bit, it tells us the same thing as the bar graph. So here's another example. It's the same thing we just went over. Here is the title. Here is the y-axis with numbers and the label. Over here, there's another labels, and the ones in the bottom are called the x-axis. And because this is a bar graph, there will be bars. That's how you know that this is considered a bar graph. And like we said, it compares different things or different groups. Also, you can track change over time, but bar graphs are mostly for comparing, right? So we are going to be working on goal number 3 worksheet, and this is the worksheet for today. It is called Reading a Bar Graph. So it's the one with the colorful bar. If you have this worksheet, if you can please take it out so we can work on it. So this is the worksheet, Ray. Don't forget to write your name and the date. Today is December the 4th, 2020. And here in this worksheet, it says bar graphs are used to show changes over time or to compare items. And I will be doing some of the questions with you, and then the rest you will be working on your own. So here in the top, it says, can you identify the x-axis on the graph? What does it show? So, do you remember where was the x-axis? Is this the x-axis or is this the x-axis? We can go back and look at the bar graph right here. And it is telling us that the bottom is giving us the x-axis. So here, we can put x-axis. And then it asks, what does it show? So what are these numbers showing you? And if you see up here, it's telling you number of players on the field. So this the x-axis is telling you how many players each sport has on the field. So here we're going to put the number of players on the field. And now the next question is asking, can you identify the y-axis on this graph? What does it show? So if this is the x-axis, that means that this is the y. So here we're going to put y-axis. And here, what is it showing us? What is the y-axis showing us? Yes, good job. The different sports. So we're gonna put, we can put the sports or the different sports. So the different sports. And now the rest of the questions, you will be working on them on your own. You will be using the bar graph to answer these questions. If you need any help at all, please reach out to me, Ray. I am here to help. But if you don't need my help, once you are done, we will continue working on goal number 4. So goal number 4 here, Ray, we're going to be going over adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing problems with all types of coins, whether they're quarters, nickels, dimes, or pennies. And here's a chart of showing us what coins look like all the different kinds of coins, what their names are, how much they are worth, and how much they are worth in other different types of coins. And now we will be working on Goal 4 worksheet. So the worksheet for today, it is called Math with Money, and the question starts off with, I have 90 cents. So if you have this worksheet, get it out. Also, get out a calculator because we will be using, you will be needing it for the worksheet, and we will be using it. Okay, Ray, so this is the worksheet for today. I will be doing question number 1 with you, and you will be doing the rest on your own. And number 1 starts off with, I have 90 cents. So I'm going to highlight it or underline it, whichever one is easier. I would like to buy some cookies for 55 cents and an orange for 25 cents. Have I got enough money? Because I looked at the end over here. So now we have to figure out whether he has enough money to buy cookies and an orange. So I'm going to highlight some cookies for 55 because that's what he wants, and then the orange for 25 cents. So first, I'm going to start off by putting our equation. So, some cookies were 55 cents. And I want to know, are we going to add or are we going to subtract? We have to find out whether he has enough money or not. So first, we have to combine the cookies and the orange to see how much money it costs. So first we're going to add the 55 plus 25 cents and see how much it equals. So get out your calculator and let's put 55 plus 25. equals, and we're going to put 80 cents. And now here we know that he has 90 cents. So he wants to know, does he have enough money? Yes or no? Yes, you're correct. He does have enough money. It's a yes, because 80 is less than 90. So he can get some cookies and an orange, and he will still have money. So yes, he does have enough. That is what you will be doing for the rest of the questions, right? If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. If not, after you are done, do not forget to take a picture and submit it into Teams. I hope you have a good rest of your day and have a wonderful weekend. Hope you rest and have lots of fun with your family. I will see you back on Monday. Bye, Ray.